Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial on CSS Flexbox. We have this Twitter replica, and we're going to see how adding display flex on this affects it. So let's look at the header first. The header, it wants us to add a display flex, and let's take a guess of what it's going to do. So this is the header, and it has all this elements in it. And we have an image, the name, and tag, and this is under another div, and then a div here with the follow. And by adding it, you see how everything's stacked on top of each other. By adding a display flex, it's going to be in the same line. It'll be columns. So we can add it here. And there you go. And now we want to add it to the profile name. And we saw before the profile name has the name and the @ There you go. And now by adding it here, this is going to be in the same line. So it should go over there. Great. And now the header's follow button. So the header's follow button, is already in the same line as the one, but it's going to take up, it has this button. So this is going to take up the entire space of the flex. Like that. And then the headers H3 and H4. H3, so each of these is going to have their own flex. Let's see what happens there. Same. Yeah, I didn't think anything would change. That's why I didn't say anything. But then the footer, we see everything's stacked on top of each other. So it will be more spread out with these level. So should go over there. And then the stats, we can see in the stats here that these will be in the same line. So I'll go up there. And it makes it the same line for everything. So that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.